How do I activate split screen mode on Battlefield 5?
Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to show you how to activate split screen mode on Battlefield 5. This is a useful feature if you want to enjoy multiplayer gaming sessions right from your couch with a friend or family member.
Is split screen available in Battlefield 5?
Before we start, it's essential to clarify one thing. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Battlefield 5 does not officially support split-screen functionality. The developers at DICE have opted to focus more on online multiplayer experiences. Therefore, any attempt to enable split-screen would require third-party tools or unofficial methods, which may not always work consistently and could potentially risk violating the game's terms of service.
What alternatives do I have?
Since split screen isn't available in Battlefield 5, you might want to consider some alternatives to enjoy multiplayer gaming. 1. Online multiplayer. The primary way to play with others in Battlefield 5 is via its robust online multiplayer mode. You can team up with friends or other players around the world and participate in massive battles. 2. Try other games. There are plenty of other great games out there that support split-screen functionality, like Call of Duty, Gears of War, and Halo series. While it's unfortunate that Battlefield 5 doesn't offer split-screen play, there are still many ways to enjoy multiplayer action within the game and other games. Hopefully, this video has clarified the split-screen situation in Battlefield 5. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!